One of the most frequently asked questions about S3 Media Vault, the audio player, is that you have the download icon here, which is actually linking directly to the MP3 file, the secure MP3 version. If you look in the bottom left of my screen, you'll see that it's actually linking to the air.mp3 file. So normally when you click on it, the browser, whatever browser you're using, whether it's Firefox, Safari, or Chrome, and probably Edge as well, will try to open the built-in player that is built into the web browser. So first it brings up this screen, and then they can click on the three little dots and then click on download. Now, for some people it's not a problem, but some website owners may find it annoying that their users have to click twice. So here's the workaround for that. So log into your Amazon S3 account and then click on the file that you already uploaded. In this case, it's air.mp3. And then on the next screen, click on Properties. And then click on Metadata. Do not click on the Learn More. It'll open up a documentation page in a separate tab. Click on the main box here. And you'll see that by default, it should say something like Content Type, Audio/MP3 or Audio/MPEG, MPEG. Right? So when the browser detects MP3 file, it tries to play the file within the browser itself, just like if you saw a link to a PDF file on a website, and if you clicked on it, it'll open up Adobe PDF and it'll open the document right up in the browser itself, right? So you tell people normally like right-click download on your website so that people can actually download the file. So the same concept applies here. So if you don't want the browser to automatically play the MP3 file and you want it to trigger the save as or download prompt, then click on this content type here and then click on edit. Select the drop down here and select binary/octet stream. So what this essentially does is it tells the browser that this is a special format for this file. So the browser says, you know what, I'm not even going to try to open it myself. I'll just give you the download option. And depending on what your desktop settings are, it might automatically download files to whatever your download folder is, the default download folder is, or it might ask you where you want to download it. So let me click save here, go back to the page, and I'll refresh this. I'm going to click on this, and then you watch in the left bottom part of my screen, it's going to download this file. So I'm going to click on the download icon. And if you see here, it downloaded to my desktop instead of playing it automatically in the browser. So that's how you force download a file. Now remember, on an iPhone, it will not offer this download option because iPhones still don't have a way to offer a file to be downloaded to the local phone. Maybe it does on Windows and Android. I don't know. I don't use those phones. I'm an iPhone user. So on an iPhone, even after this little change, if somebody clicks on this, it'll actually open up the native audio player where they can play it. And on that screen, they'll have other options at the bottom of their screen, like send it to a different app, store it to Google Drive, or whatever default options that iPhone offers for such a file. And that is how you set up the download versus play option for the download icon in s3mediavault.com.